Hello students. Before starting with our today's topic, let us have a small discussion about something else. We all know that we sit for preliminary exams before giving our board exams, isn't it? So why do you think we sit for these preliminary exams before our boards?
Check our merit for the boards.
Exactly, to check our merit or check our competency for the board exams. In this way, our strengths and weaknesses also come in the forefront. Okay. Now you must have been thinking why all of a sudden I have started speaking about the board exams and the preliminary exams. I have been speaking about the board exams to introduce our today's topic, that is the trial balance. Trial balance. We are all acquainted with the accounting flowchart, isn't it? So can we have a short recap of the accounting flowchart?
First, we decide whether it is an event or transaction, then pass a journal entry, post it to ledger, prepare trial balance, and then final accounts is made.
Excellent. So, sometimes the balances of the ledger accounts are computed incorrectly because there are innumerous transactions in a business organization. So, to check this balances of the ledger accounts, we prepare the trial balance. Okay. Now, coming back to our story, we give the selection exams or we give the preliminary exams to check our status before the board exams. In the same way, before preparation of the final accounts, we prepare a trial balance to check the status of the books of accounts. Okay? So should we move ahead to learn the definition of a trial balance?
Yes, ma'am.
The trial balance is a list of all ledgers and cash book. List of ledger balances and cash book. Okay. Adhering to the principles of the double entry system, all the assets, losses and expenses are recorded in the debit column of the trial balance, whereas all the incomes, liability and owner's equity are recorded in the credit column of the trial balance. So, assets, losses and expenses, as I said, in the debit column of the trial balance, and incomes, liabilities and owner's equity in the credit column of the trial balance. Okay. As per the double entry system, the total of the debit should be equal to the total of the credit column. Total debit should be equal to total credit. Are we clear on this?
Yes.
Can you all please jot down these points in your notebooks?
Sure.
For rubbing the board, can we have a recap of the definition of the trial balance? Let us all say the definition of the trial balance. A trial balance.
This is a list of ledgers,
Ledger balances and cash book.
Very good.
assets,
All
losses,
the assets, losses and expenses should be recorded in the debit column,
Yeah.
whereas the incomes, liabilities and owner's equity should be recorded in the credit column.
Exactly.
And
Then
as per double entry system, the total debit should be equal to total credit.
okay. So now shall I rub the board? Okay, so should we move ahead to learn the features of a trial balance? Firstly, the trial balance is a statement and not an account. It is a statement and not an account. Okay. Secondly, a trial balance can be prepared on any particular date. Okay? A trial balance can be prepared on any particular date. That is, it can be monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. Okay? Thirdly, a trial balance checks the arithmetical accuracy of the books of accounts. So, what is the third feature? That it shows arithmetical accuracy of the books of accounts. Okay? So, can we all please write down these features of the trial balance in our notebooks? Now, can we have a show of our copies?
Sure.
Excellent. Shall I rub the board now? Now, moving ahead, we should also learn about the objectives of preparing a trial balance. That is, why do we need to prepare a trial balance? A trial balance ensures that all the transactions of a business organization have been recorded. Okay? Objectives are transactions have been recorded. Okay? And also to check the balances of the ledger accounts, that whether the balances of the ledger accounts have been computed correctly or not. And check balances of ledger accounts. Okay? A trial balance is prepared so that final accounts can be prepared from it. That is the PL account and the balance sheet. So, a trial balance helps in the preparation of final accounts. That is PL account and balance sheet.
Ma'am, recorded RE is not written properly.
Recorded. Sorry. Thank you so much. Okay. So, these are the objectives of preparing a trial balance. Can we all please note down the objectives in our notebooks? Shall we move ahead now?
Yes.
Shall I rub the board? Okay. Now shall we move ahead to see how a trial balance looks like? That is, what is the format of a trial balance? First we give a heading, trial balance. Then we write as on. That is, as on what date it is prepared. Say, if we write today's date, it is 24th January 2014. So, after that, we make 4 columns. The first column is the particulars column. The second column is the LF or the ledger folio column. Third column says debit amount, which is in rupees. Fourth column says credit amount in rupees. Okay? In the particulars column, we write the name of the ledger account. In the debit or the credit column, we write the amount of that is the balance of the ledger account. And the LF column, which is the ledger folio column, is prepared to write the page number on which the particular ledger is prepared. Okay, so that in later times we can refer to the ledger account in details. Alright, and very importantly, to prepare the trial balance, we need to know the balances of all the ledger accounts. Okay. So, should we copy the format of a trial balance in our notebooks? Can we have a short recap of what we have studied today?
Yes.
Okay. So, Who can tell me what is the trial balance or the definition of the trial balance?
Trial balance is a statement which checks the arithmetic accuracy of an account.
Very good. And can someone else please tell me what are the features of a trial balance?
Ma'am, sir, the features, sir, it is a statement and it checks the accuracy of books of accounts.
Okay, very good. So, should we move ahead to solve some assignments on trial balance?
Yes.
Great. Thank you.